Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Well guys, here in Texas, it's been super hot. But today actually, I just stepped out and I almost melted. It's like super hot and very humid. But anyway, so we're here because I'm going to do an unboxing. This one is from Bella Art Diamonds, and as you can see, it's got this beautiful logo, which is a beautiful colorful butterfly, and it comes in a very beautiful sleek box. Okay. And then on the side, it just tells you that it's a high quality canvas, premium poured glue, superior shine, and so on, and licensed artwork. Okay, and in the back, it just basically tells you and also shows you pictures, step-by-step instructions. All right, so let's open this baby up. Oh, wait a minute. And on the top, I don't know why I always forget, but on the top, it always has a picture. So, which is nice because if you are storing the boxes, that way you can see what painting is in this box. So let's open this baby up. Okay, let's see. Oh, what is this? Stickers. Aha. This is new. Oh, no. Okay. I don't think, yeah, the little sticker with the little scooper. That's nice. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna look at that in a second, but first, as you can see, it comes, the canvas comes in a plastic covering. I think they call it also a dust cover, and this is to protect it while it's traveling. It also has an SQ on it, which is BDYASO12, and it also has it on the box, SQ. All right, so we're gonna put that aside for now, and actually we need to take it out because I think, yeah. What am I missing? Let's see. Let's open this baby up. Let's put that aside. Let's get the, there goes the kit and the drills. All right, let's put the painting aside. Actually, and I need the sticker. Come on. The sticker sheet is in here. It always gives me a hard time. Come on. It gets stuck in there. Sorry about that. There it is. All right, let's put that aside. And let's look at the toolkit. As you can see, it comes in a nice plastic bag. I'm going to take everything out of here. Okay. It's okay. It came out. So this, as you can see, is the container. And you put the little wax. It comes with 3 waxes. And then, of course, you peel the plastic back in order for you to get the wax. And this is the pen, so you basically press down, twist, and voila. I don't know if you can see that, but is in there, the wax. Okay, let's put this back in here. So like I said, it comes in a very cute container. So you have 3 waxes, a pen with a single placer. I think this is a 2 or a 3 multi-placer. I think this is a, I don't know, this might be a 6 or a 7, and this might be a 9. Okay, multi-placer. It comes with very sharp tweezers, if I can get it open. So be very careful. They're very sharp, guys. And this is also a comfort grip. This goes on your pen. This is supposed to help with your hands. Okay, for comfort. And of course, it comes with washi tape. Very pretty. It's red. And it also comes, this is an excellent tray, by the way. This is called the Bella Essential Tray. I love these. I like the way it's deep and it has their lines, so the drills fall in very nicely. And here we have some Bella Art and Nicole, their card, Jamie and Nicole. Thanks so much, Nicole and Jamie. Thank you for your order. Oh, your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions about your order, contact with us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna put that aside, and they also sent me little stickers. Oh, they're so sweet. They're so sweet. Look at this. This is like a little scooper. Okay, I guess this is where you get your little drills and some butterflies. Sticker butterflies. All right, let's put everything aside. Let's put all the toolkit. So if you're a beginner or a newbie, you have all the tools you'll need to start diamond painting. This is the sticker sheet. I love the size of their sticker sheet. And look at how cute she is, guys. Oh my gosh. It's coffee. So if you're a coffee lover like I am and my mom. Okay, so as you can see, it says, it has a butterfly, their logo, Bella Art Diamonds, enhancing your diamond painting experience. This painting is called Sakura, license from Yaroslava Guskova. Okay, and it tells you the size, 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, which is an awesome size. And it tells you that it's a square. There goes the SQ again. And then, of course, the stickers, which are pre-cut. Love the size of them. And you can put these on your containers or on your drill bags. And as you can see, they always have 1 through 8. Okay, and then the rest are letters, the alphabet. Then you have like a little anchor. I call that a little anchor. The and, a musical sign. I call this a little tree. A pie, I think that's the pie. And then 3 dots, a happy face, diamond, and so on. Okay, you have a dollar sign. All right, so we're gonna put this aside. Love the colors. Let's look at the drills. As you can see, again, it has the SQ number on it, just in case you separate the drills from the box or the painting. And we're gonna put these aside, and let me just bring this up so you can see the colors. I believe it has 50 colors. 50 colors. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to look at the drills in a little while, but first let's look at the canvas. The canvas is very soft. It has the scallop edges. It also has the pin holes, and this is to prevent from fraying. Okay, this is, like I mentioned earlier, this is poured glue. Okay, I'm just going to flatten it out like this a little bit. Very, very soft. And look at her. Isn't she beautiful? I love her, guys. Okay, let's look very quickly on the top. It says, share your love for Bella Art Diamonds on social media. Hashtag Bella Art Diamonds. Bella Art Diamonds, again, their logo. www.bellaartdenicole.com. Okay, and then in the bottom, here you have a picture. It says Sakura, license from Yaroslava Guskova, 50 by 50 centimeters, which is 19.69 by 19.69 inches. And then in the middle, again, their logo, Bella Art de Nicole. And then over here, their socials, okay? I'm just gonna, I know I'm gonna roll it back because it's still, I want it a little flatter. So you can do this because it is poured glue. All right. Remember, it's been in the box. Okay. Let's do that again. Perfect. Oh, sorry. I think I touched the camera there. Sorry. Okay. As you can see, she is adorable. We see that she's drinking a big, big cup of coffee. It's got a little flower. I love her little uniform. It reminds me when I was in Catholic school. Love her hair, the way it flows. Let's see, I'm going to look at the picture because it helps me better. At the sticker. She has like light brown hair. Okay, and then she's got little pink flowers all around her and all around her hair. And then the background is like white on the top, and then it's sort of like a lighter blue on the sides, and then darker blue going down. Love the color of the cup. Love, this is, by the way, hand rendered, so it's very, very clear. The symbols are very clear. Look at her fingers. Look at that. What else? Then she's got these thick eyebrows. She has these beautiful eyes with very thick eyelashes, blue eyes. She's got a little button nose. She's got a couple of freckles. And she's got very little cute mouth. And then she's wearing like a little collar. And it has a flower on it right in the middle. So it sort of matches the what she's wearing, her uniform or outfit. I love her, guys. I just love this artist. Okay, and let me just bring her up so you can see This is a square. Okay, there goes the flowers. There goes her beautiful face. And there goes the cup of coffee. It's a big one. Look at those fingers. Everything, so clear. Now it also comes with the plastic is super thick, guys. So it's a thick protective cover, which is nice. Okay. So let's look at the special drills. Let's put this aside. I love the size. I think it's a perfect size. All right, let's see. What do we have? Let's look at this again. According to this, this has 50 colors, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Okay, those are the special drills. So 5 ABs stands for Aurora Borealis, okay, which means it's just a drill with a super shine. And let me tell you, these drills are resin, and because they're resin, they are already super shiny. So can you imagine how shiny the ABs are? All right, and I love that they're in order. Okay, they always come in order. So the ABs should be in the bottom. So we said 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see if you can see the colors a little better, but as you can see, it has a little bit of everything. It has browns, blues, orange, purples, violet, like this looks like a maybe black or blue, and pinks in here. So very pretty. All right, so let's look at the ABs. So we have AB 349, okay, which is like in a red orange color. And then this one is 818 AB. It's like a peachy color. This one is 820 AB. This one is like a blue purple. Blue purple. Look at the shine on that, guys. Ooh, what's going on outside? Okay, everything okay. This one's 3842 AB. This is also another blue. Let me put them together so you can see the difference. This one is more like a purple blue. And this one is 5200, which is a white AB. All right, so now let's bring back the beautiful painting. All right, and let's see where these ABs go. All right, let's see. So that is, I forgot to mention, it does have 2 legends, and there's a legend on the left-hand side, and then the other legend is you turn it around so you can flip it. You can turn it around, so just in case you want to work down here, that way you can see the legend correctly, the symbols. All right, so we're going to turn it the other way around. And let's see. Let's put these in order again. All right, so the first one is 349 AB. And then when you look at the legend, the first row tells you that it has 50 colors. The middle row has the symbols. And the third row are the DMC code. All right, and then when you look at this 46, it's going to be that arrow that goes around. Looks like a U-turn. I call it a U-turn. All right, let's see. I already see it here, and I believe that is her, yeah, her fingers, part of her finger, right over here. You have some over here. That's her arm. Okay. A little bit over here. That's also part of her arm. You have some here. This is part of her chest. Again, on her arm, going down. Is it on her face? Yep. You have some on her cheeks. Right here. Over here on her neck. Let's see. Some here. This is part of her face, actually. It just goes around her hair, around her bangs. She's got bangs. Okay. And, oh, and some here on her. It looks like her, like eyeshadow. All right. That's perfect. So how about her lips? Yep. You have some on her lips and some on her nose, on her rosy nose. All right, let's put that aside. The next one is 818 AB, and it's a peachy color. So this is going to be like the two little waves. All right, so let's see. Where can you be? The two little waves. I thought it was going to be, I love her little buns. She's got two little buns on her hair. Let's see. Okay, so you have some around her nose. Any here? Yeah, it looks like it's around her nose. And what else? Must be somewhere else. It's not a lot. So it has to be, looks like it's going to be on her face. Okay. All right, let's put that one aside. The next one is 820 AB, and this one is going to be like a triangle like a side triangle, like pointing to the right. Okay, I see it here. It's going to be on her necktie. I don't know what you want to call this, a necktie. So it's going to be all around there, down here. Is it on the coffee cup? Nope. You have some on her eyes right there, on her blue eye. And yeah, looks like it's going to be on her necktie, most of it. All right, and then the next one is 3842 AB, and that's going to be a horseshoe. The horseshoe, where are you? Okay, it's going to be, this one's actually going to be in the cup, right there. Some down here on the bottom of the cup. Some over here on top of the lid or on the cup. You have some also on her tie, going down. Any up here? Nope. Okay, and then the last one, this one is 5200, and this is I call this the mustache. So it's where it's gonna be on the cup, around here, the white, on the top of the lid. You have some over here again, on her necktie. You have some on her outfit, some on her sleeves, on her short sleeves. Oh, I see. Wait a minute. Is it on her hair? I see some on her eyelashes. Right here. Some over here on her eye. Any in the background? Yeah, and some over here in the background. See those two little lines? I call it a mustache. And of course, some around her, the flowers, which I like that. Some around the flowers. All the way over here on her hair. All right, so this was like a little bit of everywhere, which I like. A little bit actually also on her lips, on her eyes. I think I said that before. All right. So this is actually very beautiful, guys. So pretty. I hope you guys love her as much as I do. I just love the colors on this too. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And thank you, and bye-bye.